through and show you what Central looks like, just to give you a little bit of a visual. Thanks to Meg for setting it up this morning. Okay, check it out. So we've got the tub over here, just kind of starting from one side to the other. We want to set it up so it's really easy for people to get to. These will be restocked through the morning. You can do it right out of the kitchen closet. Coming over a little bit, we've got the double boiler with the ice, basically. We want to use the double bowl so the ice is underneath. We always want to have the tongs there. Right inside here, Kim's got a good aerial view. We got the applesauces in there and all the other cold stuff, but please note that it's in the tray because we want to make sure that the tray is absorbing the water and it's not right on the table. And then coming over, we like laying out the Pop-Tarts instead of leaving them in the package so that way people grab one of them. Tongs there as well. And then we've got the tray here, tongs up here for the fresh bagels. These we will also restock during the day, so we want to keep about 4 of those in each row, and those will be in the blue tub in the cabinet. Moving over, these, remember to check and look at your ratios so you know how much is going out for which shift, but tongs here as well. Great way it's broken up with the 2 different flavors. Chips and candy we can restock during the morning as well, just to keep up with it. The juices, these are the juices for the morning, so those will stay in here. We can restock the water bottles from out of the closet. So again, this is in the tub so that we make sure the water isn't actually on the table. And then let's head over real quick to the bagel station. So we have another one of the carts here to put all the utensils in. The toaster, if it's not in the cabinet, it's usually up here, so make sure you grab it out of the cabinet, and that way it can go right back in the cabinet. Since this is not on the wood, we can actually put the cold items on the countertop. So there's ice in the bottom. It's got both of the cream cheeses and the butters in there with a fresh knife in each one. Great idea to keep a couple of these Purells in different places as well. And then we're coming over to our coffee station. Awesome layout, easy to get to. There's a little trash bucket here. And then we've got our teas, hot chocolates. This is our local honey from our friends, the Meads. This condiment, coffee condiment, you can fill that up as well out of the closet. Now the coffee carafes, you'll be trained on how to use the coffee carafes and how to fill those up. The last pot of coffee we want to make is about 10 o'clock. So then we want to wrap that up and the people can head downstairs for coffee, but they're welcome to use our creamers. Creamers go out. Remember, these are not dairy, so they do not go in the refrigerator. They go back in the cabinets. And then we've got some mini moos here. We do keep our coffee out for the morning, so you guys have it right here. But let's remember, if we can, to put that back in the cabinet so that we know what we've got at the end of the day. So other than keeping the tables clean, welcoming people when they come in, that's what we got going. Thanks so much.